Hey, how you going? These are a couple of legs there to hold my tiles up. See how I've got a bit of a gap there? It's better that than this is too low, you know, and it's in the road and all that jazz. No. And what I usually do, I got asked the other day, what do I do with the gap? Cut a bit of cement sheet and just use your polyurethane or glue or whatever with cement sheet. You just pack it and job's done, and then you put your tile up. You're not full on filling it with glue, you don't need to. Cement sheet is the best. Some tilers pack with tile, but it's too shiny and it'll let go because it's you got no bond. Stuff all will stick to a shiny surface like that. Just use cement sheet DIYs. Here you can use a bit of glue. That's got a nice little slope of 1.5 mm or 2 mm, that bottom there. So water's going to run off there nicely. It'll run, not much water actually gets into your niche, but if it does, it'll run along there and down the wall and down into that drain. Build it up with a bit of cement sheet if you want, or with your leftover glue at the end of the day. Just build it up and it can be flat because the water will soak through your glue, hit that, run away. Hope I've explained it. But using cement sheet is the best way to go about it. I like it a lot. I've still got a vest on. This is a bloody cold house, eh? No insulation. This house was built in the 50s. There's no insulation whatsoever. If it was mine, I would have pulled off all the gyprock, insulated all, or maybe punch a hole and spray foam and I don't know, and then just patch it all. Something, and in the ceiling, it needs insulating big time because it's a bloody cold house. is get rid of that. When you do a niche to your tile size, it's way quicker. You're not having to fluff about cutting your tile. Bring that out a bit because of so I have enough room for my other tile to go in like that. Now look at that. Bloody gorgeous. What's that, a bloody crow crowing? The old black crow. The old 6x3 tile I like quite a bit because they're easy to handle. They're a good tile to throw up quick because of the size, and they're light enough that you're able to throw them up quick. I don't mind the 6x6 on the walls. They're not quite as fast as a 6x3 to lay. You'd think they'd be faster because they're bigger, but nah. Alright people, I'll just pop that next row up. What I always do is cut right around the top at the same time, and it's always the next day. That's just, you know, some people like to do it as they go, but just me. If I'm cutting up around the top, I like to do it all at once. See you soon. This is Chris O. I'll come back to you on the next wall. Yo! Woo! See this? It's for poking the subscribe button. That's how you do it. Whooshka. See ya.